My name is Kim Walters, and I am officially a ReMar nurse. I am a registered nurse. Oh my God. I'm so excited because it still hasn't kicked in yet. I'm still basking. But I have been an LPN for 23 years. So I decided that I was at a standstill and I wanted to go back to school, so I did. I actually took my first test in May. I failed. I was heartbroken, but then I said I wasn't ready because I was studying everything. I mean, everybody. And everybody was giving me information differently. So one day I was on YouTube and I saw this beautiful face pop up. And Professor Regina, said to me, I am the #1 NCLEX reviewer. And she convinced me to invest in myself. So I got my quick facts, and I also got my V2, and I ordered the subscription. And ladies and gentlemen, when I tell you I have so much information in my book, in both of them, I have written all over both of them, and I listened to what Professor Regina had to say, and I went in there and I took my test, and I was feeling myself. I was feeling good till I looked up and I had 10 seconds left, literally. I started reading the question and the computer just shut off. Like, that was it. I was devastated. I was in the middle of downtown Chicago on the phone with my friend screaming, I'm never taking this test again. I'm not worthy to be an RN because I know I failed. I couldn't get the time management together. And I just was devastated, and I just really was not going to take the test again. Of course, my friends were like, girl, calm down, go home, and just, relax. But on that Saturday, my daughter said, Mom, I'm going to pay for this quick results. So I ran in the back of the house. I didn't want to hear it because if I failed, I was going to be devastated. And she screamed out, you passed. And I thought she was playing. When I ran up there and I looked on the screen and it said, pass, y'all. Jesus, hallelujah. Thank you, Father. I mean, I studied hard. You have to invest in yourself and you have to put in the time. I have never put in this much time studying. I was so proud of myself. And I know I'm proud of you all for being a part of Professor Regina's NCLEX studying, and I just want you all to know you can do it. I did it. You can do it. Yay, ReMar.